worst storm to hit the lower mainland in 75 years. The armed forces have been called to help look for stranded motorists and to ensure the movement of emergency vehicles. If you don't have to go out, don't, and buses are canceled, the SkyTrain is not running, and ambulances are only responding to life or death situations.
For tomorrow, periods of snow or freezing rain, changing to rain in the morning, and a high of +3. It's -10 in the valley, -6 at the airport, downtown -7.
So simply too deep for many people to handle right now. One guy who did try Kingsway seemed to have the right idea for these conditions. A snowmobile was seen scooting along Barker onto Kingsway earlier this afternoon. Reporting live, Terry Shin, CKWX News 1130.
Hotels across Vancouver report short staffing levels because many workers can't even make it into the city. Workers already on shift are putting in hours of overtime. But all hotels say they still have space for more guests tonight because many reservations won't be making it in.